Namaskar dosto. Today is 15th July 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. In this specific video on daily basis, I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. It looks like Lalaji is in super trend. Uh, but let's see whether this consolidation is gonna actually come in action or Lalaj is gonna have a breakout. So before we examine that, let's have a look into global market. So as of now, when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 is looking little weak, and it is almost going below 8 bar moving average. So this is definitely not a good sign. Shows some kind of weakness at all-time high level. US government 10 bond yield is still going down, so this is definitely a good sign. And dollar index has started moving up, so this is definitely not a good sign. So global cues except US government 10 bond yield is not looking good, at least for tomorrow. Now, what's driving a market? So when we look into bank nifty today had a super run, and it almost closed above my black and blue magical line, but still below monthly h4, which is at 36055, and that will also act as a very good resistance for the bank nifty. And this move in bank nifty was mainly driven by HDFC Bank, which moved from 1500 to almost 1527, and it has also closed above my blue magical line and monthly h3. So HDFC Bank is looking very strong, but 1527 is definitely a good resistance for HDFC Bank. Now, when we look, the major factor why our markets are moving up is IT. In last two trading session, almost it has moved by today it is moved by almost 1.23%, and yesterday it was up by 3%. So very strong move in IT, mainly because of results of Wipro and Infosys, which is driving this market. IT in top levels. So IT is looking quite good, and that's what is moving a market up. But the future move will decide, but none other than our Motapai. So if you see Motapai is still in downtrend, and it is consistently going down from past 3 days or since the time the EGM was held. And now it has come closer to a very strong support zone of 2066 and 2074. Now assume that Bank Nifty and IT will keep on giving support to the market, and if Reliance will move from this level, then market is going to go in super trend. So we really need to see how Reliance is acting at this support zone, whether it is reversing from 2066 or it is further going down. So Reliance is going to definitely play a very critical role for next move of the market. With that in background, let's have a look into Lalaji. So when you look into Lalaji on weekly basis is definitely an uptrend, still in consolidation. It is today close just at my magical blue and black line resistance level, which is at 5924, but still in uptrend. And now we need to see whether market will reverse from here or we will have some breakout. Now the next resistance for market is at 15977, which is monthly H4, and the support is at 15850, and 8 bar moving average is catching up. So now this market is definitely not overstretch, and 15720 will definitely act as a very good support for market. Now when we look on daily chart, we see that Lalaji is almost starting a next bull run super trend. But again, the next few session, that is 15977, will be very critical to see. We are almost touching the upper end of a consolidation, but it's above 20, above 8, and above 50 bar moving average. So definitely in uptrend. Now on daily basis, market has a very good resistance at where it is right now, which is at 5930 zone, or we can say today's high. And next resistance is at 15977, which is a monthly H4. If 15977 is gone, then market has no resistance at the top. On support function, Lalaji will have now very good support at 15,850, and then the next strong support will definitely come at 15,670, which is a combination of weekly H3 and 50 bar moving average. And 15,700 is definitely a very very strong support for market. Now on 15-minute chart, we see that Lalaji has closed below 8 bar, below 20, but above 50 bar moving average. So on 15-minute chart, it is showing kind of a reversal, but we need to actually see how and where the market is going to open tomorrow. So when we look into market profile, we see that tomorrow's CPR is way above today's CPR. So definitely this confirms that the trend is in upward direction. Tomorrow again we have a very small or a narrow CPR range. So tomorrow could be a day where it could be another trend day. So watch out. Uh, Now when we see SGX is currently at 15951, which is above or just at today's high, that is previous day high for tomorrow. And H4 for tomorrow is at 15977. So if it opens above pivot, then it confirms that the trend is in upward direction, and then the official trade should be buy on dip. But let's see what are the options we have. So the first option is that market will open at PD high and it start moving up like it did today. In that case, 15977 will act as a very strong resistance, and I would not prefer to take this upside move. And my idea would be that at 15977, which is also H4 for tomorrow, will be definitely act as a very strong support. And then over here, if I see any reversal pattern, any of one reversal pattern out of four here, then I will enter 60,000 PE here for a target of pivot, which is at 15910. So that's the first option. Second option is that it open only starts going down from previous day high. In that case, I will take 15-minute breakout on the lower side and see if it is reversing from pivot, or we may see. I would like to see a target of S1, which is at 15,870. So this is my trade plan for tomorrow. No buying at this level unless until we see a complete change in the market and the closing on tomorrow, which is above 15977. So at the top of the consolidation, I'm not going to go for any buy at this point of time. So please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened today. So today my trade plan was that on open, one of the option is that if you start moving up, then I will not take that upside, and I will look for a reversal on this particular zone, which is at 15916, and I'll enter a PE position here. And I was so confident about it that on this particular green bar, when it touched 15916 on 5-minute bar, I could see some red bar and I entered here. So this is the first mistake which I made. So I entered with the two lot here, and then when it went up again on this particular red bar, which is a extreme reversal setup 3, uh, happen here. So this one, and I entered one more lot here. So this is the extreme reversal setup 3. I'm sorry, this one, and I entered one more lot here. Nothing happened. It again started moving up. Then it went down. I didn't exit my position here, and then here another reversal setup happened, which is the engage extreme reversal setup 2, and from here market again moved up. Then I exited my position somewhere on this green bar. Then I again tried to enter another two lot, same position with a very small stop loss, and eventually I exited my both the position on this particular green bar, and I'm carrying one PE home with me. So overall today I had almost around 20-point loss. So this is my trade. This is the first two, then two and one lot, then entry out, then the small entries at 79, exit at 76, 75, and exit at 78. and that's how my day went today. So position wise, 3,000 rupees loss. I was carrying some HDFC Bank. I booked some profit there, and Hero Motocorp is still putting me on gas. So that's how my day went today. So what's the learning? Learning is first, like our guru says, that trade what you see and not what you think. So that's the first and biggest learning. Always look for a reversal pattern at critical level, and that is the only reason to enter or exit the market. And second learning is that real money in the market will be made when you are capable of doing a swing trade. Then only you can get a big money in. Intraday trading, you can get lucky max 30 to 50 points in a day. But the swing trade is something where if you play well, you can make good money, and that's what I intend to get develop myself on. And right now we are at very critical stage from where a new trend could be started if this consolidation comes in action and market reverses. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Thank you very much for all my new followers and your likes. It's your like and comments which motivates me to come again and again and make this video on daily basis. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.